This is a boat that came in, just got it, brought us a trolling motor. We mounted the trolling motor and had to move the bow light, and got electronics working, his lights work now. Got a new prop, impeller in the lower, so we decided to start it up just to make sure it's pumping water, which we do, pumping and shifting. So go ahead and start her up. Put both of them, all of them back on. And now go ahead and start her back up. There's the impeller, spark plugs, trailer hitch. We got the lights working on that. And now we're just going to pull the top plug. It's run on one cylinder. That's it. And it's going to be those little things right there. Spin shift.